These are two very experienced entrepreneurs from France who have already done some very, very successful exits. And we're very proud to have them here with us today. Please welcome Joel Bloch from TechBuy.
Thanks, Ruud, for your introduction. Good morning, everybody. I have a question for you. How many people in this room share photo or information on Facebook, Twitter, or any other social network? Just raise your hand. Wow. Wow. Almost everybody. Okay, your children share. My mother, and even my newborn is on Facebook. TechBuy has understood how to use this trend of social sharing in order to empower retailers. Not everyone knows how to leverage the power of social media, but smart retailers use social sharing to gain new customers. Take an example with the Apple Store, or Starbucks, or Urban Outfitters. They don't sell only products, they sell an emotion. They sell an experience. And that's exactly what people want to share. And when people love something, they share it on Facebook, on Twitter, to their friends. And their friends share to their friends, and so on, and so on. And it's this kind of sharing experience that brings new customers. My name is Joel. I'm the CEO of TechBuy. We are the bridge between the offline and online shopping experience. We are revolutionizing the ways to do business by providing the power of social media. So let me explain. We simply turned physical merchant into social business. IBM say there is no business, but only social business. And according to IBM, 30% of customer spendings come from the influence of social media, and is growing to 70% in the coming years. But not everyone can afford IBM consulting. And that's why we decided to create the most effective and affordable social engagement tool. Please let me introduce you TechBuy Campaign Manager. So just imagine a screen in store displaying gaming, promotion, and social experience. TechBuy Campaign Manager is not a tablet, it's the software. And the software allows retailers to manage their marketing campaign, data analytics, and social experience. So let's take an example with Alberto. Alberto is a marketing manager of Mango. He decides to use TechBuy Campaign Manager to launch a quick campaign on Monday from 10 to 2 p.m. in 10 different stores. You just need to upload the visual of the campaign, and in one simple click, display the campaign in the 10 different stores around the world without any extra actions from the sales team in store. And one of his stores is located in Utrecht. And in Utrecht, there is Anna. Anna is a nice girl. She's going to the Mango stores. She sees the promotion, 40% discount, that she would love to share with her friends. She just needs to swipe a Hovi chip card or any other loyalty card and share to her 400 Facebook friends. And then she sees a black jacket. She tries it. She takes pictures with TechBuy tablet and share it again to her 400 Facebook friends. So maybe you are wondering why Anna is sharing. It's simple. Because she benefits from the promotion and because she looks cool. And I can tell you, the stores today using TechBuy Campaign Manager have a share rate of 70% of buying customers. So let's go back to Alberto. Alberto can follow the impact of the campaign. He can see exactly what happened in each store. He can see all the user data collected thanks to TechBuy platform, like gender, email address, and personal interest. All these data are really useful for any future marketing activities. For 10 months, we build our technology. We develop an API and an SDK. We also develop social applications working on all the major operating systems. Our technology works, and it works really well. We are not testing. We have already implemented, and we have already revenue. Optique du Roc, it's an optical brand in France. They have 50 stores, and they have implemented our solution with impressive results. 10% conversions. That means from 10 Facebook posts, we generate 1 new customer coming in store. And this is what the CEO of Optique du Roc said about TagBuy. They get more customers. So as you can imagine, our solution is relevant for many other segments, like hairdresser, restaurant, and fashion store. So let's see an example with a hairdresser in Amsterdam.
As a hairdresser, I think hairdressing is the area of wellness. It's important that people can see themselves when they when they do a highlight or a haircut or nails. They can see the nice work that we're doing here. I'm quite happy, and the clients as well. They seem going along with the proposal, so they like that we offer them 15% or the discounts that it is for them and their friends. I think it's also important for their friends, and the friends of their friends can see it as well in their Facebook. But the important thing it is publicity that you can do for the salon. You know, that people can see what you're doing, and their friends can see what you're doing, and that will bring more people to the salon.
That's really interesting. After 1 month's trial, they decided to implement our solutions. So how do we make money? We are not a hardware provider. We sell a license fee for any device connected to TagBuy platform. And the price is €200 per month for an access to TagBuy Campaign Manager, data analytics, and social application. And I can tell you, we are driving more traffic in stores, and we are increasing the revenue of the stores. So let me show you our routes to market. First, we focus on the direct sales. We want to reach the big retailers in Europe. We are discussing with the Buy & Cough. And also, this is the Buy & Cough. And also NS stations. They are really interesting to give a social life to their Ovid chip card. And, ladies and gentlemen, I'm really proud to announce that we have just implemented TagBuy in the first Vodafone store. And it's not all. We have also strategic partnerships with companies in France. Global Post and ID Touch. ID Touch, for example, is providing interactive tables for restaurants. And they decided to use our solution to give a social experience to their clients. And the good news is that they will start a pilot in February with Subway. The third one is the online sales. We know that we can reach the long tail of independent merchants. We know that we can reach foreign markets. Every day, we have requests from around the world to test our solution without any marketing activities. We have already sold licenses to resellers in Chile and Mexico. And we are discussing with interesting partners in Italy, Spain, and even Indonesia. So let me show you our team. Jean-Yves is my business partner and is also our Facebook king. In 2010, he created the first Facebook application with 35 million active users. He knows exactly what social media is. Stéphane is our CTO. During 5 years, he works for Amazon and he manages an international team of 10 people. And for my part, I launched many startups in Europe and in Hong Kong. Last but not least, we have a strong advisory board with people coming from France and the Netherlands with amazing backgrounds in social media and retail. So regarding the investment, we have already invested ourselves 100k euro, and we are raising an additional 700k euro to further build the team and to achieve our roadmap. We want to launch the online sales platform to give the tools to independent merchants to test our solution and to buy it online. We are revolutionizing the stores by providing social experience. I promise you, TagBuy will be the next big bang in the retail industry. We have a strong team, we have the right product, and we have already revenue. So if you want to take part in this next retail revolution, please come to see us after the pitch. Merci beaucoup.